Well, this winter weather storm has caused a lot of damage to people's homes and cars, along with businesses and public infrastructure.
So you might be wondering where to start, what kind of help you can get in this recovery. Well, Kenton Brine is the president of Northwest Insurance Council in Seattle. He joins us live this morning to break down what we need to know. Good morning, Kenton. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Good to be here.
Yeah, so if somebody's home was damaged by a tree, we've seen trees on roofs, on cars, what can people do right now?
Well, a good idea is to reach out to your insurance agent or your insurance company and let them know you've suffered some damage. Homeowners insurance policies typically provide coverage when trees fall on your home or on your vehicle. And even sometimes if a tree falls in your yard and hasn't struck a structure on the property, your insurance may provide coverage for tree removal. So it's a good idea just to check there. I'm sure with all the trees down in the Portland area, we're going to get a lot of claims from folks who have suffered damage to their roofs or smashed out windows. Carports have been damaged from heavy snow and trees as well. Those are covered by homeowners insurance, or if you're a renter and you've suffered damage to property inside your home, your renter's coverage provides coverage for things that are, your possessions that are damaged inside your rental unit.
Okay, and so with some of that damage, maybe it's not safe for people to stay in the homes. What is the insurance coverage when it comes to hotel stays and even power outages? Are hotel stays covered? Are your groceries covered? What's all included?
Yes, it's important if you have to leave your home, in your insurance policy, there's a provision called additional living expenses, and that helps pay if you have to stay in a hotel, if you have to dine out because your kitchen is inaccessible or your power's out, etc. It's important to remember, however, that people do have deductibles on their homeowners insurance. So if you're going to be out of your home for several days to a week, chances are the damage to your home is extensive enough that your deductible is going to be covered. So you're going to pay the first $1,000 to $2,500 depending on the size of your deductible to cover those damages, and your insurance kicks in after that point. But you won't really know that until you have an adjuster to come and look at the damage to your home and figure out what your loss is. But if you do have a claim, then additional living expenses can be covered. Loss of items in your refrigerator because they go bad can be covered. It's just a good idea to check and find out what your coverage provides for you.
So now if your power goes out but your home is intact, if a power outage is really the only thing you've seen, would it make sense then to necessarily claim things like groceries if it's only going to be maybe a couple $100s worth of groceries replaced?
Exactly, because most folks have a percentage of their insurance that's a deductible. It's usually the first 5 to 10%. So if you have a $300,000 policy, you might have a $3,000 it's about a $3,000 deductible. So if your damages haven't added up to that point, then the coverage is probably not going to apply.
Okay, and so what should you maybe avoid doing if your home was damaged?
Well, if you can do small minor repairs, like put something over a window that's been broken out to prevent water from entering your home and that sort of thing. If you can do that yourself safely, then that's a good idea. Or even if there's someone available to help with small repairs or limb removal and that sort of thing, keep your receipts from those items so that you can be reimbursed by your policy if the damage is great enough. However, we do encourage people to be safe, and as you heard, there have been people injured or even have deaths occur because they take steps to heat their own homes, or maybe they go up on a carport to get some heavy snow off or some limbs off, and that carport may have been weakened by the storm damage, and they can end up getting hurt. So I would suggest if you've suffered damage, the first call should be to your insurance company or agent to have someone come out and assess the damage and then figure out where to go from there.
Okay, and fortunately, most of us have a smartphone in our pockets these days, a nice camera right there. I'm assuming you just want to document everything for your insurance claim.
Yeah, there are a couple things there. One, before damage occurs, when you've got time, it's a good idea to walk around your home and do a home inventory with your smartphone. There are apps that you can get that will help you keep track of the things that are in your home when you make major purchases, and you can scan the receipts for those. So just keep track of all those things. But after damage has occurred, it's a good idea to document those things with your smartphone. And this, in particular, when it comes to damage to cars, if you have comprehensive insurance coverage on your vehicle, which most people do, there are apps on your phone from your insurer that you can file those claims over the phone, and then an adjuster doesn't even need to come to your house.
Okay. Well, Kenton Brine, president of the Northwest